Today at Google's launch night event, Google announced a lot of things, from the Google TV to the new Google Nest, but I'm pretty sure that's not why you guys clicked on the video. You clicked on the video to find out about the brand new Pixel series, and surprisingly this year, it's a huge step up. They announced the brand new Pixel 4a 5G and the Pixel 5 5G. Both have the same exact camera, which is really crazy, but the Pixel 4a 5G has a bigger OLED display and the battery got 100 times better. And surprisingly, it's got a headphone jack. That's something really surprising. You won't expect that from a phone in 2020. And the best part is, this phone starts at $499. Enough about the Pixel 4a 5G, let's talk about the big body phone, the Pixel 5. And at the moment there is no Pixel 5 XL. I'm assuming that's because the Pixel 4a 5G acts like the Pixel 5 and the Pixel 5 acts like the XL because of its power and the amount of features it has, but I'm not 100% sure about that at the moment. That's just my little guess. It's got 8GB of RAM with wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Pixel has also teamed up with Stadia to give the better gaming experience, but that's not the big part. The big part of this phone is the camera, the brand new and improved Pixel 5 and Pixel 4a 5G camera. It's got a brand new ultra-wide lens, and HDR Plus has been improved to take better and clear photos. Pixel has also added a portrait plus night mode combined together into one mode. This got me absolutely speechless because Google Pixel cameras in general can take absolutely really good low-light photos. And the part that had blown me away was the video mode. Pixel has not always been the best when it came to taking videos, but that's about to change. It's got 3 brand new stabilization modes: locked, active, and cinematic pan. Google actually went ahead and studied Hollywood directors to make this all come together. Well, that's all we know as of now, and not gonna lie, I'm pretty hyped for this phone. This phone is it's crazy. This is everything we wanted. They've improved pretty much everything. The Google Pixel 4 was kind of a disappointment when it came to battery life, and also the video wasn't really the best, and they fixed all that stuff in the brand new phone. So I'm really looking forward to this phone. I might even purchase this phone in the future. Stay tuned for an unboxing video to that phone soon. But with that being said, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And this has been Techaholic, and I'm out. Peace.